Alright. I got the birds out here. I had Secret Squirrel. Oh yeah, he's still popping. Secret Squirrel popping. He got the snack. Some motherfucking National MB Geographics. You know what I'm saying? And my squirrel, he's chilling. Super duper chilling. What up, squirrel? He ain't on it. Yeah. Yeah, these motherfuckers chilling. Yeah, pure love to feed the birds. Gotta do too. Look at the squirrel. He can't get enough. Get on out of here, man. We ain't expect you to come around here, man. Oh, he dipping. Squirrel comes back. I feel like a motherfucking Disney character or something. Look, he come chilling right here. Steal her from me, birds. Don't love my bread like you do. That's my bread. The motherfuckers took my bread. It's Mr. Bailey, baby. National Geographic signing off. This shit's for the birds.